So I recently had a quick chat with a publisher named Chad. Now, Chad was stuck at around $300 a month, absolute maximum. His best month was $300 a month for 2 straight years. Now, here's the thing. For 2 years, he wasn't just trying to figure it all out by himself. He wasn't just going on YouTube trying to figure it all out just from free YouTube videos, and he wasn't just publishing randomly. For 2 whole years, he was paying other KDP coaches and gurus and all these big YouTubers that you see. He was paying them tens of thousands of dollars, and he still couldn't break past $300 a month. If you don't mind me asking, like, how much money did you waste on the coaches before things actually started working out?
I definitely wasted a good 20 grand at the minimum.
That's insane. You could have bought a car.
You're right.
Yeah. But he didn't give up. Even though he wasted 2 years and tens of thousands of dollars on these KDP gurus, he still did not give up. And recently, he tried something new with the books that he already had. He made a simple small switch. Well, he actually made 2 little small switches. We're going to talk about it in this video. But once he made those 2 small switches, within 90 days, he was able to get past $3,000 in 1 single month. So while he was stuck for 2 years at $300, worked with every KDP guru under the sun, he wasn't able to break past $300. And recently, just by making a change, he broke $3,000 in a single month for the first time ever. Now, the special thing about Chad wasn't the amount of royalties that he made. I mean, the royalties were good, don't get me wrong. $3,000 is a good amount of money. And he did make the same amount of money he made in 2 years, he made it in literally 2 months. But what was unique about Chad is that he literally spent 2 years with no results, just grinding every day with literally nothing to show for it. He spent tens of thousands of dollars on KDP Gurus. He literally paid for help and he still wasn't getting results. And he continued to push forward. He kept going. He still believed that he could do it. I mean, honestly, what a legend. Just his resilience alone is amazing. But anyway, I'm going to stop talking. Let's just go see how he got these results. So before we start, like the first thing, I don't really want this to be like a sales thing. I'm not really trying to sell anyone anything. I want this mostly to be about like your personal experience. If people can relate to that, then that's great. If not, then it's not really my problem. It's really all about you and your results.
Sure.
Like, what's the first thing that you realized that you were doing wrong?
The Amazon ads. That was really the mind blown shock value and really where the rubber met the road for me. I mean, the amount of time, effort, money, and going in the hole even deeper. Amazon ads, there was so much value. You know, you have phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and even phase 4. Because when you're in Amazon ads, you can get super lost. Like I said, I had multiple coaches try to coach me on Amazon. And they all were like down only, down only, down only. Okay, well, what's wrong with up and down and fix? Well, why can't we touch that, right? So you were the kind of the pioneer, and it just changed my whole KDP Amazon ads experience.
Yeah, like even for me, like when I saw some other coaches talking about like just stick with down only, I never saw a coach explain the reason why, apart from like it will save you money. And they never really explained, okay, but what about the growth of your book, right? Like, yeah, you can save money, but what about the actual book that we're trying to promote?
Exactly.
But I especially the ads as well. But yeah, like one thing I learned was like just to always question everything. And especially with ads, there's like so many different variation of things you can do, right? It's like it's the match bidding and it's the campaign structure and then it's also your bids and then you have so many different things that you can get wrong.
Right. So many elements. I mean, I was going crazy and it still does drive me a little bit like, okay, I need to ask Barry this or, 5 other questions under the one question, so it does get deep.
Before we started working together, like obviously there was something that probably stood out to you and you were like, okay, I probably need to get some help with KDP. Was there something specific that you were thinking at the time before you got help?
Before I got help with you, I was madly in debt, $32,000 to be exact, the first year. And the thing that I went through was like just answers. Like I didn't understand why I wasn't able to make any progress within the academy that I paid for and watched videos night and day, grinded it out, 18-hour days, just blood, sweat, and tears, listening to coaches, booking calls and paying money for professionals and coaches and trying to find the way. This is my second year and I'm still doing the same thing over and over again and going further and further in the hole.
So you went with like other coaches before?
Many coaches. So they're just not coaches plural. It's many coaches.
Many coaches. Okay. And if you don't mind me asking, like, how much money did you waste on the coaches before things actually started working out?
Sure, sure. So I definitely wasted a good 20 grand at the minimum. Like I haven't added it all up, but it's minimum 20 grand.
That's insane. You could have bought a car.
You're right.
Yeah.
I mean,
Fair enough.
for answers that I thought, going down and recommended by other people, it was, what could I do?
Yeah.
Just trying.
Yeah, no judgment because I've lost a bunch of money as well. And in hindsight, we all know that we could have done things different, but sometimes you have to lose the money to. In Greek, we have it nafaista mutra, so like you face plant. That's what we say. First, you have to face plant, yeah, and then you get to learn.
Yes, exactly. I was definitely face planting a lot.
What I find interesting is that you went with a bunch of other coaches and you still were like, okay, let me get a new coach. This one might be the one. This guy might help me. How did you have that mindset? Why did you not just give up?
That's a great question. Like I should have gave up, 6 months before even joining, especially being exhausted with money and having to put things on credit cards and things like that. It was very stressful. Plus I have a family. I had 2 kids and a wife. I wasn't looking too good as the father figure in the house, right? Like losing money and constantly spinning my wheels and telling my wife it's going to work, it's going to work, it's going to work. And it was that resilient mindset that I was taught with many mentors that I had over the years. And you just had some type of light that all the other gurus didn't. And I wanted to learn more, because the videos scratched the surface and they were unique and they were intriguing. And I knew that there was something else deeper. And the Amazon ads was probably 75%, and then the book covers was about 25%. And so you had those things that I thought, listening to all these coaches and seeing how I'm failing forward, and I'm continually failing, but those two things really resonated with me. And I really thought, okay, first step is the book cover, like how people see things. And then the Amazon ads is like behind the scene, like you described your hotel when you were in the hotel business, like the front of the house and the back of the house. Well, the Amazon ads is the back of the house. The front of the house is the book cover. So those two things I never had. And I'm like, well, I had, but I didn't know what I didn't have. And so going down that pathway was intriguing to me. And that's another reason why I wanted to join and give you a shot.
Did you still watch YouTube videos when you joined other people's courses?
I would say yes. I still watched other YouTube videos. I had, I don't know, probably a handful or two of people that I would watch. I wanted to kind of like get some type of evidence that what they were telling me, the people that I'm paying, is good, because after a month or two of it not working, I would go on YouTube and say, okay, well, tell me why this isn't working. Give me another opinion or a professional or a set of professionals to get some kind of like, okay, this isn't working. Why?
But now that you actually got help, do you understand why things weren't working?
Oh my goodness. It's like finding golden bars in your basement.
Appreciate that. Is it like a specific time that you remember, okay, it's time for me to get Barry's help?
Yes. So watching your videos, seeing that there were so many things, I was scratching the surface, like I said before. I had to get into the academy to really understand the advanced part of the app. Like the book cover was great, but it wasn't excellent. Like in my opinion, now it was probably more good. At the time I thought it was great, but it was good and then great and then excellent. And then I went from going through the motions, getting into the course. Thank goodness I went into the academy, because if I didn't went to the academy, I would probably still be losing money and not understanding how I can sell my books.
Well, let's talk some numbers. So what was your highest month in, like, before joining? You said around $300.
By far, that would be kind of the maximum, was $300.
Okay. And now after joining, what's like your highest month so far?
Yeah. So just this last month, December, it was $3,700.
3,700. Okay, so that's like a 10x in. Yeah, that's like a 10x in royalties.
Right, exactly. And I was only 4 months with your academy. So September, October, November, December, for 4 full months. Like you said in the course, sometimes it takes a while, but where I'm ranked, like I was ranked, I think 14,000 BSR. Like I never ever went consistently below, I don't know, 200, 180. I think I was normally average 180 BSR on all of my books. And then these two books are consistently below 100 BSR. I would say on average, they're probably 40K BSR.
Yeah, I checked out one of your books. One of the books that we hopped on a coaching call together. It started off like 100,000 or 200,000 ABSR, which is the initial days is completely natural. But then there's like this dramatic dip, and it just stays below like around 30,000 ABSR. That's where it is usually hovering around.
And a lot of that has to do not only with the ads, but the book cover too, because I learned a lot and I'm still learning. I think another year I'll be hopefully more of a higher notch professional, but there's so much to learn about the book covers as well. I mean, we're talking about ads because ads really changed my life, but this year, that's my purpose in life, is to get the Amazon ads right, but most importantly, get my book covers on track. Those are going to be the most important parts of the game.
So is there anything different that you noticed about your mindset? Like as soon as you joined, did you feel like it was more clear? Did you feel like you had less pressure, or did you feel like, oh, there's so much work to do?
Oh, I definitely thought that there was so much work to do for sure, but I was very inspired by knowing that stuff is working after the first month. Like after the first month, like the first even like 14, 20 days was like, oh my gosh, look, I'm getting like triple the sales that I got before. And it was a game changer. And so yeah, all that information was a fresh new perspective. And the root of it all was the Amazon ads and the book covers. Those two things changed the game for me.
And did you improve books that you already had, or do you just like publish a new book from scratch, following my system entirely?
So it was all existing. I had 3 books before, and the 2 books were released. One was released, I believe it was April, and then the one was released in August. So I had existing ads set up already. Once I got in, and after a week of working within your videos in the academy, I had to change them. So once I changed them, like I said, 20 days, it was totally, wow, I've never seen sales like this come in.
Yeah, you saw some good results. I was so excited. As soon as you showed me some results, man, I was so excited for you.
Yeah, I was super stoked. I'm like, finally.
One of the coaching calls we had was specifically about your book cover, and that was super, super powerful. And then we also had another coaching call specifically about your ads. And then I checked it out, and I think you had roughly 128% ACOS where before we hopped on a call. I think I messaged you on school, and when you sent it to me, I think you had like a 66% ACOS. So we literally just cut the ACOS in half.
Right. Oh yeah, most definitely. Most definitely. We've not only cut it in half, but it's like hundreds of sales. Like I couldn't even imagine that I could get hundreds of sales each month. Just incredible.
If you didn't get my help and you just stuck with the previous coaches or just stuck watching YouTube videos, do you think you'll be able to achieve the same results?
There's no way. Absolutely no way. And take it from my experience, like almost 2 years of getting or paying gurus, like coaches that have been doing this for decades. And I come to Barry, and within 4 months, I'm like selling, I think in December, I sold over 400 of my books. And I never even dreamed of selling 100 of my books in a month. So it's a no-brainer.
Now that you actually understand the system, do you see that it helps with something else? So not just the money, like you see the royalties grow, your books are growing. I'm sure the royalties are good, but do you feel like there's something else that it helps you with? Like, do you feel less stressed now? Do you feel like more confident? Can you sleep better at night?
There's no doubt. I'm less stressed. I'm no longer going insane, spending my mind and just trying to figure it out. I feel 100 times more confident with Amazon ads. I am my boss, my own boss, instead of the employee of my business. And I'm still learning from the best. Barry the G.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Let's talk a little bit about the future, because obviously now you know what you're doing. You have the training. You have me as well for help. Now it's a lot easier for you. But in terms of the future, now that you understand how everything works, do you think you can replicate this? Do you think you can get better results?
Oh, no doubt. No doubt. So in my last year, I had a goal of just getting to sell like 200 books. And I obviously did 400 books just in the last month. So projecting this year, I'm hoping to get up to 35,000 in Amazon royalties. And I feel super confident that with all of the coaching and all of the videos within Barry KDP, it's very exciting. The past 2 years of being in publishing and not having your course, I was stuck and I was spinning my wheels. And now it's like fresh perspective, and I see money coming in. I'm seeing sales. I'm feeling like a professional in a business worth fighting for.
I can't wait for February as well. End of February, you get that commission check from December. That's gonna feel good.
Yes, that'll definitely be a propeller for more momentum and higher book sales. And it's just amazing. I never thought that this could happen that fast.
There's one thing that I want to ask you, because I know a lot of publishers. I mean, they see you're gonna know this more than anyone, but they see a bunch of people on YouTube, and everyone is trying to sell their courses. Everyone's trying to sell their coaching and things like that. And a lot of people get discouraged from it. They get like, oh, I don't want to give this guy money because he's only trying to sell the courses. I'm only going to stick with YouTube. What would you tell the people that are only trying to find information from YouTube and trying to be successful on KDP with only free YouTube information?
Sure. So the numbers speak for itself for me personally. I know Barry's the real deal. I've tried all other YouTubers, not to say that they're bad or good, but they don't have the execution, they don't have the academy, and they don't have the knowledge that it takes for Amazon ads and the book covers. Those two things alone, the front house and the back house, that's where it's at. And Barry KDP is the real G.
Appreciate that. You're a legend. And there's one more thing. One thing surprised me so much about you. So you joined the program. You have a community. You can talk to anyone in the community. These guys like paid money to be in that community. They know what they're doing. And you got results yourself. And even though you're with like the big boys, you're still going on my YouTube videos and commenting on my YouTube videos, and you're helping out people for free on YouTube, which is like you're honestly such a legend, man. It's insane.
Well, I mean, I love doing it. It's that give back feeling. Like there's no better joy than to give back.
I appreciate you doing that. I'm sure a lot of other people appreciate it too.
Oh, well, it means more to me.
Well, one final question before I let you go. What would have happened if you didn't take any action? If you didn't join the program? If you just stuck with what you were doing before? What would have happened then?
I probably would have called it quits. I'm so certain I would have called it quits, because between not having any money and having, the family stress that daddy doesn't have any cash anymore and all that other stuff, I definitely wouldn't have been able to continue. That's for sure.
I'm glad you did take action. I'm glad I was able to meet you, and I'm glad I was able to help you. And I'm glad you took action towards your business to see the results.
Yes, super excited and very blessed, and I'm happy for 2026.
Awesome. Is there anything else you want to add? Anything else you want to tell anyone? Anything else you want to tell me?
Well, I mean, I really think that most of the people on YouTube or the people that haven't joined, I don't really think that they understand your give back. Like, you truly care about seeing us do well. And not only that, you have the knowledge. Like Amazon ads, you have Amazon like no other I've seen after, 15, 20 coaches. And book covers. I mean, book covers are the front of the house. That's what the first thing they see. There's so many attention to detail things that you have in your course that it'll probably take me another 6 months to really get all of the goodies in my brain, because there's so much to unpack within your course. So I really appreciate you.
I appreciate you, Chad. Honestly, what a legend, man. You're such a legend. Well, have a great day. And obviously, if you need me for anything, send me a message in the community.
All right, Barry, will do. Thank you, sir.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Chad. Bye.
All right.